Today I am changing a battery in this Subaru Key fob. This was introduced in 2011 and runs in most Subaru models up to 2019. I think it started with the Forester for 2011 and then the crosstreck. We have an Impreza, but it's the same key fob for all. Now, one thing I do like is a little bit bigger screwdriver tip to pry it. You can see this is starting to get gummed up. And then a skinnier one for the interior piece you're gonna have to pry apart. You're also gonna need one of these guys, a CR1620 battery. And let's jump into it. So we start this process by, we find this little pry hole here and pry. It's good if you actually hold the blade of the key so you don't accidentally hold it together. And pry till it pops. So you'll just get it started like that and then move around the key like so, and that opens it up. Now we're gonna take the module out and we can put the keys to the side. And for this little module, you have 4 tabs that you have to undo. So I'm gonna start with this large one. And you can use, this is where the skinnier screwdriver head comes in to fit under this. And I'm gonna fit this under here, pry, and get it started. You gotta get 2 of these started before it kind of sits up like this. Also keep the buttons face down. It can fall apart and all the buttons fall out. Not the end of the day, but a little bit annoying if you're trying to get a bunch of stuff done in your day. So keep this face down. I'm just gonna set it right there. We flip it over, there's our battery. Negative side up, positive side down. And you can see there's the battery. So we're gonna grab our new battery here and okay, so like I was saying, the kids are coming in from playing in the backyard. But this guy, positive side, goes down into the carrier like this. Then this big tab is gonna fit into here like so. And sometimes you can get lucky and just push down and they all click, but I wasn't so lucky. There we go. There we go. All 4 sides click. We didn't drop all the buttons out. This goes in here like so. And then we press this on. And just firm push to make sure all of the edges are pressed on all the way. And then let's hit the button. Yep, there it is. Make sure that that is functioning. All right, if this is helpful, give a thumbs up. All my links for batteries are in the description. I do make a commission off those and that helps my channel. Hopefully this is helpful, save you a little bit of cash and a little bit of time. Thanks, bye.